Let's take a quick tour on our 32 square meter, newly turned over condo renovation project located at Quirino West, Quezon City. Starting with the kitchen area na may compact, functional design with laminated cabinets and quartz countertop for low maintenance pero high impact na aura. Isama mo na rin ang under cabinet strip lighting for that sleek and cozy appeal. Bar counter na pwede na rin mag-function as dining area for a more space-saving approach. Perfect spot for breakfast, may kasama ka man o wala. We also have a living area designed with neutral tones and clean lines for that elegant yet cozy ambience. Aside from compact yet comfy couches, also check out these floating shelves for additional storage and styling. Lipat tayo sa bedroom. The goal? Serene and clutter-free. The low bed frame with accent lighting sa headboard at full body size mirror to make the space feel bigger, and of course, another set of built-in storage cabinets for storage. Last but not the least, the toilet and bath. Simple pero elegant. Neutral tiles at syempre, minimalist fixtures. There you have it. Looking to transform your space? Message us today. Whether it's construction, renovation, or interior design, we're here to bring your dream spaces to life. Follow us for more.